In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the license plate bracket on this Ram 1500. Let's get into it. I'm going to take off the license plate, use a 10mm socket, take the two screws out. Take the plate off. Down below there's two more screws, use a 10mm socket. Take those both out. Just grab the plate, and it slides right off. Take the new plate bracket, and you can see there's push pins on the back. It's part of the bracket itself. Line those up with the holes, and just push it in. Take two of the screws, the 10mm socket, just snug those down, not too tight. Take the plate, line that up, slide it in the bottom first. Get the screws and snug those down. There you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.